Não pare de treinar, pois seus adversários são covardes e traíras. Luann Brazil.
About who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million.